Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. This is it, the final set of topics for Algebra 1 Goal 1, and coincidentally also the final set of topics for all of the Algebra 1 tutorials. I'm finally done! Huzzah! Alright, so this one is all the stuff that you've done before, only now, if I scroll down, you take a look. Oh, miss, there's more than one variable. And it actually tells you you're solving for a variable in terms of another variable. So in other words, you're trying to get one variable by itself, which is what you've been doing. So there's actually nothing new here. The only thing that's different now is that because you don't have any like terms, one side of your equation starts to get a little bit ugly, and we'll see that as we go. So what are we solving for this first problem? We're solving for m. Well, the only thing next to the m is the n. So minus n. So that means m equals, these are not like terms, so we keep them separate. 14 minus n. Oh, well, that's not too bad. Okay, how about this one? What are we solving for? X. So that's negative a. We want to undo that. So plus a plus a. What do we get? X equals c plus a. Oh, okay. Now I can do this. Solve for m. What are we moving? The 20. That's a little bit more comfortable at least. We're used to moving numbers. So m equals n minus 20. Oh, okay, I'm starting to feel confident here. This isn't looking so bad. Nope, miss. Fractions, I see it. Except remember, it's multiplication or division. So solve for b, that's times h, so we undo our multiplication with division. We undo our multiplication with division, so b equals a minus, over h. There's your answer. This one, again, because we're treating that as division, you undo division with multiplication. So y equals 4x. All right, we're looking good. Solve for what? Solve for w, so divide by 6. W equals a over 6. All right, I'm starting to feel confident here. Let's scroll down a little bit more. Getting nervous, but we're still good. Solve for b. And this is where you start to realize that one side of your equal sign is going to get a little bit ugly. So first thing we do, this is still PEMDAS in reverse. So PEMDAS, and we're going in reverse. So we're starting with our addition and subtraction. So we're going to be minus 5c minus 5c. What do we have? To be, or not to be, that is the question, whether to remain this mortal coil and suffer with slings and arrows. Anyway, then we have 2b, so we undo that with division, and we undo that with division. And there's your answer. b equals a minus 5c all over 2. And you start to realize that one side of your equal sign is going to look a little bit ugly in comparison. But since you know that in advance, you can be okay with it. So solving for n, so the first thing we're going to move is the 8m. So 10n equals negative 8m minus 4. Divide by 10, and we're done. N equals negative 8m minus 4 all over 10. Okay, not so bad. What are we solving for here? We're solving for r, so plus 3s. 2r equals k plus 3s. All right, and I start to see a pattern here. Divide by 2. R equals k plus 3s all over 2. This doesn't look so bad. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. Even the pièce de résistance wasn't all that painful. We are now completely done with Algebra 1 Goal 1 and done with all of the algebra tutorials to begin with. You have all of the videos you need. Watch them, rewatch them, pause and play as often as you need to, and I will see you on the other side of the DSA. Get your credit. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.